Hello, class 4th. A very good morning to all of you. So, class 4th, I hope all of you are doing fine and healthy at your home or at your place. So, class, as you all know, that we have started with chapter number 9 of our EVS, which is changing families. And we have discussed how the families are changing with the passage of time. Now, moving on in today's session. In today's session, we will be discussing page number 69 as well as page number 70 from our NCERT book. So now let's begin with the session. New place. Tessering father received a letter from his office. The letter said that he was being promoted and would have to move to another city. So class, as we know that Tessering father got a letter from the office, and in that letter it was written that he was promoted. He got a promotion, and for that, in order to get the job, he has to move to another city because he got promoted. And in the image also we can see that his father with his boss congratulating him and with an envelope, and in that envelope we can see that he was being promoted and he was very happy. Now in the another image class, when he got to know about his promotion, he shared his news with his family, with all the members of his families, his wife, his parents, as well as with his children, because he has achieved something and he was so happy to got that achievement, and he has to move to another city in order to get the job, because we got to know that he was promoted, and he told everyone in his family that he was promoted. So everyone in his family was very happy. So class, this happens with us also when our parents got promoted, and if they have to move to the another city, we all are filled with an excitement of a new place. We will be seeing a new place, new culture. So the same was with the children. Furthermore, the family was very happy. Now, when Tessering father showed the letter to his family, how do you think the different members would have felt? Yes, class. Now, how would you think that his parents, wife, and children would have reacted? They would have been very happy because his father got a promotion. He will be earning better. He will be in a better state. So, everyone in the family would be very happy. His father will be very proud on his son, yes, that my son has achieved something. His mother will be very happy. His wife will be very happy. Talking about the children will be so happy to see everyone in the family. Now, moving on to page number 70, we can see in the first image that everybody is packing, since we got to know that his father got a promotion and he is going to the new place. So now for shifting to another place, we have to pack up. We have to pack all the things, all our belongings, because we are going to a new city. We are going to explore something new, and we are going to live there for, I don't know for how much long, but yes, we are going to start a new life. So in the image, in the third image of page number 70, we all can see that everybody is doing packing. The girl is packing her clothes. The grandmother is packing pickles. This happened with ours. When we are going somewhere, our grandmother packs pickle and all the homemade stuff for us. So similarly in the image also, we can see that the grandmother is packing some homemade pickles, some achar, some papad for his son so that they can eat. Similarly, the grandfather is also doing some packing for his son because he is going to another town as he is being promoted. So you can see that all are busy in doing some kind of the packing. The girl is packing clothes. The grandmother is packing homemade pickles, papads, and another homemade stuff, as well as the grandfather is also packing something for his son. So in our families also, class, when we are shifting from one town to another town, our grandparents, they pack something for us, so that if we miss them, we can enjoy, we can eat those things and remember it. And in the last image, class, we can see that they are in a railway station, and their family has come to say them bye because they are going to a new city. So you can see the fourth image on the page number 70, that a train is there, and father, his Tesri, his wife and children, all you can see is there. So you can see that they're just giving them goodbye because they are going to new place, and the family has, all of them has come to the railway station in order to see off. So class, this all happens with us also. When we go to some new place, we can see that there are our grandparents, our cousins, our relatives come together to see off, to say her bye, so that we can have a good journey, we can take care of our belongings. So this happens with us also, the same which they are experiencing. All the family members come together and say us goodbye. The same we can see in the fourth image also. So class, please make sure to reach page number 69 and page number 70 of your NCERT book. Plus today you have to do these questions in your notebook. Thank you.